Like with any of these teas, guys, if you are taking medication or you have any illnesses, please ask your doctors before you take them, okay? Cilantro is not only an herb to use for salsas and you know, food. It is also very good for your health. It is full of vitamin K, which is, you know, that helps your blood clot, also great for your bones. Having said that, if you're on blood thinners, you probably want to stay away from this tea. It also it's got tons of flavonoids and antioxidants, anti-inflammatories. It's great for your immune system. It will help you control diabetes because it lowers the glucose in your blood. It boosts your immune system. It will lower cholesterol, triglycerides, and LDL. And it's also a detoxifier for your body. It will clean your liver and your kidneys very nicely. So we're just gonna put our cilantro inside a little pitcher. Notice that I'm leaving the stems on. I'm gonna add about a cup of boiling water. I'm going to cover it and let it steep for 5 minutes. Look at that beautiful color. I don't sweeten my teas, but if you want to, you can add a little honey or stevia to this. Not necessary to our health. Oh, that's nice. It has a little citrusy flavor to it. It's very, very soothing coming down. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.